skies are turning, colors shift and fade. A whisper on the wind, a promise being made. Seasons rush like rivers, faster than before. A stirring in the spirit, knocking at the door. Prophecies unfolding, written long ago. The seeds of time are harvested, as every soul will know. Oh, Judgment Day is coming near, a trumpet's solemn sound. Are you ready to meet the King when His glory can be found? Have you prepared your heart and soul for the truth that He will bring? Judgment Day is coming near. Are you ready to meet the King? The ledger's open, every word and deed, a life laid bare before Him, planted like a seed. Did you spread compassion? Did you lend a helping hand? Or build up earthly treasures, castles in the sand? The masks we wear will crumble, every hidden thing revealed in perfect light beneath His righteous wing. Oh, Judgment Day is coming near, a trumpet's solemn sound. Are you ready to meet the King when His glory can be found? Have you prepared your heart and soul for the truth that He will bring? Judgment Day is coming near. Are you ready to meet the No time for hesitation, no moment left to waste. His mercy still extends for those who truly taste the bitter sting of sorrow. For past they walked astray, turn now, embrace His calling before the final day. Lay down your burdens, seek His grace profound. Let forgiveness wash you clean on holy